3. Maybe they have bees here. Oh my god. Paul. See guys? Molino. Here. It's very cold. Success! Hello everyone. No? From that other area, right? This is called the Pio River. Okay? What to? Semento? Arena? Oh. I am very proud of that.
Unleashed Pinoy Adventures, YouTube channel. Unleashed Pinoy Adventures. Unleashed Pinoy Adventures, YouTube channel. Unleashed Pinoy Adventures.
Hello guys! I'm here at my farm with Gizmo. Okay? So, for today guys, I'm going to house of my grandfather. But my grandfather is already dead. Okay? So, see guys, this is my cow. Okay? But I'm scared. Hi, Gizmo! So, come on guys. Gizmo, come here. Oopsie. Gizmo! So, I will show you guys around, okay? This one, it's for the, for making the coconut. Okay? Gizmo, come here. So, we walk for 3 minutes. 2 minutes. Gizmo, come here. Turn. He's scared. Come here. Huh, very fast. Si Gizmo. So, guys, but this house guys is empty. No people. Because my grandmother and her daughter for now. Sometimes my grandmother stay to my father house. So, come on guys. When I was a kid, I'm always here in this home. But only guys just see on the outside, okay? Because I cannot go inside the home. Gizmo, come here. Gizmo. Okay, this is my favorite rock. Show them guys. Oh, until now, still alive, this rock. Okay. Then, we're here. I miss this house. This is the old house, okay? I think this house is like 100 years, I think. Gizmo, come here too. Gizmo. For now, the fruit is, the lanzones. Okay. I really miss this home. Sometimes my father go here to open the door, open the house. You know, this is the star apple. Ayu. Come here, Gizmo. See? Oh, wow. I miss this house. Okay. You see. And then, come here guys. I will show you the molino. This molino, it's for the, what we call this? Wait. I just thinking first guys, what's called this? That's molino for coffee. When you harvest the coffee guys, okay, and then you need to remove the skin, okay, here. Put only here the coffee and then make like this. So become the remove the skin. So this very old. Okay, so I don't know if this working until now. Okay. And then these guys, okay, these plants, my grandfather, before my grandfather left, okay, he planted all this, like banana, like that. Okay, this is empty. Okay. You know na guys, this kind of house is the old house, but it's very, what you call this, antique, like that, just like that. Okay, so this is the plants of my grandmother. Okay, and then you see, before when I was a kid, you know, always my grandmother tell me to clean this area all. Where na si Gizmo? See? What's this? Oh, wow. Come here, guys. I think they have guyabano. See? Guyabano. Oops. We'll see if this, na good. We'll get. Charot lang. No? Ouch. They have Gizmo, I'm here. Still not, maduro. Hinok. Okay. Oh, many. They have here also. The small. Ay, Gizmo, come here. Okay. It's. So, come on guys. Gizmo, come here. So, now guys, we going up na in the, on the road. Because guys, I will show you also my old house, but only the place. I don't know guys if still that the house is still there. Okay, because according to my father, he he make junk the house, so I don't know guys if still there. So let's go. Gizmo. You see guys, si Gizmo. It's very dirty. So I need to make like this, my pants. Oh wow. And this also guys, that's called kamyas. That's very sore. Okay. This good, put in the, what we call this, in the sabaw soup, like this. Gizmo, come here. You want to try? You don't like? Gizmo, come here. Naklalaway na yung kasama ko. Okay. But guys, but once this berry full of fruits, they can make this one like boro, something like that. Very sore. Gizmo! So, now where's the road? Here? No? From that other area, right? Paku-paku. I think this is the road na. Gizmo! Tuy! I forgot na guys the road. Here? Gizmo! So, let's go! Oh, I don't know guys if this road or... Gizmo, Tuy! Come here. Oh, na. More coconut na here, oh. See, oh. More coconut. Here. Oh, left and right the coconut. Oh. Oh my God. Many grass. Okay, Gizmo. And then, where is it? I think here it's very hot. Oh, be careful. Oh, they have hole here. You can see my house. Gizmo. This guy's tree is called lanzones. Okay? I remember when I was in high school, okay, this one is too much fruit here. And then, I go up in this tree, I get fruits. Okay, and then suddenly my grandfather fussed with the cow. And then I'm very silent. I'm very silent because I don't want he caught me. So now guys, this road guys going to my old house before. Yalla! Gizmo, go, go, go na Gizmo! You don't know na, no, right? Oh my God. Oh, be careful, huh? Oh my God. This grass, oh, is danger, oh. It's make you, wounds. Yeah, Gizmo. Oh my God. They have a small here, what do you call this? Oh, river. River. Okay. This is my life when I was young. When I was a kid. And then, where's the road? Okay, guys. And then, all this, okay. All that, lanzones. Trees of lanzones. Okay, once they're, starting the fruits, oh my God, it's too many harvest in this area. Oh, where is it? This area they have passed? They can pass here or no? They can? Okay. So, come here. Gizmo. Okay. It's really mountain. It's really far. Okay. Because in this farm, guys, okay, so many coconut and lanzones, star apple. Oh, wow. Now, where is it na oh? We pass in this area? Are you sure? Are you sure here? Akia? Where is Gizmo? Because guys, it's long time. I never visited here. You know? So, I'm scared. Oh my God. Oh no, grass. There's no road na. Maybe they have a snake here. I think, okay, I got na. This is my old house, guys. Okay? You see, oh? Okay, here. This. This is my old home. They, ano na, oh. What do you call this? My father is, ano, broke. May chop-chop na because we transfer another home, that one. Oh, guys, okay? I really know this area na. Okay? For now, guys, because this is the old house, okay? So, many here the pineapple. So, I saw, guys, pineapple. Okay? So, I'm going. Gizmo, are you tired? Since here. Okay, I'm going to get the, ano, okay. Okay, okay. We need pineapple. I throw not the kamyas. You stay here. You stay there only to get under to me. Oh my God. I get the pineapple. Tao po, tao po. Okay. So, here. Pineapple. See, guys? Ah. Whew, Gizmo, be careful. Okay. So, the other one, because these guys here in this area, it's a plantation of pineapple, okay? But, you know na, no people here, ano, every time, not, ano, visited here. So, they like this only. But in one day, I'm going to, ano, to clean this. But I'm scared na, guys, going over there, oh. Because it's, ano na ba, oh. It's, this one, oh, is very sharp. Okay. I think have many there, oh. I'm scared also because maybe they have bees. Okay. Oh, wow. Let's go. Okay. So, okay, ano, where's Gizmo? Gizmo! Come here. Oopsie. Oh my God, are you sure? Huh? We can pass here. Maybe they have a snake here. Oh my God. Huh? I don't know, guys, why my, ano, oh, my friend, ano, oh, this area. But earlier, my father has been here. Uy, Gizmo. Come here. I don't know na. Where's the road? Okay. Whew. Okay. This one, the, ano, oh, what do you call this? The bamboo. Okay. Oops. Gizmo. Where is it? Gizmo, come here. Whew. The pandan. Okay. Come here. We go to the river, guys. For now, we going to the river. Okay. Peekaboo. So, this is the river, guys. This is my favorite river. We'll see if Gizmo can pass here. Okay. Ooh, oopsie. Oh, so many fish. Gizmo. Oh. So many fish, small fish. Okay? Show them. Show them the piit. Na, Gizmo, come here na. Oh, si Gizmo. Come here. Oy, Gizmo, here. Si Gizmo, guys, wherever I go, he go with me. Come here. So that you know where my place. Oh, this is the small falls. Okay. So now, guys, we going to the river that's called Pio. Pio is my grandfather. Okay? Whew. Because guys, this river is very cold and very fresh. Oh, Gizmo, come here. We'll see if Gizmo can pass. It's very cold. Oh my God. Wow. So my pineapple, guys, I just let only there, guys, at the road because I don't wanna to bring here because it's heavy little. Oh, they have clothes here. Oh, from whose clothes is this? Oh? Maybe someone go here to wash and then they forgot, or maybe they ran. They will see us. Gizmo, come here na. Wait, Gizmo, come here. Hoy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Wait. Wait, guys, because Gizmo. Oh. What you did? Oh. Let's Gizmo to here. It's very cold. Okay, your face. Bebe. Huh? Wait, guys. Oh. Si Gizmo, oh. They have wounds na, oh. You see, oh, Gizmo, oh. So many grass. Very dirty na si Gizmo. Okay. Let's go. Later, you will, Where is it? I think we're near na. Chan, charan, charan, chan, chan. Whew. Oopsie. Oh, Gizmo. Come here. Oh, very fresh. Oh my God. Very cold. Wow. Gizmo. Oh, wow. Very nice. Oh, Gizmo. Very nice, guys. This, yeah, you just colored. This is called the Pio River. Okay. So, this is it. Wow, I want to now swim. Okay. Wait, guys, wait. I feel it's very cold. Oh, very nice. Ondo. It's oh, Gizmo, where are you? Come here. Where is it, si Gizmo? Where is it? At the back? Tuy! Come here. Come with me. Wait, guys. I get to Gizmo. Gizmo, you afraid na? Come here. Come here. She's scared na, guys. Come here. We swimming. Come here. She's scared na. Okay. We're here. Oh. Oh, you stay here. Because go for I want to swim. Okay? Now I need to remove the mic. Okay? To swim. I need to put this mic in the proper I put this in the proper place. Wait. Can you hold? Oh wow, what's this? Pakam. Oh, this for the clothes, guys, that make like this. Okay, so let's go from here. Woo! Come on! Oh, very cold! Woo! Oh my God! Last time you've been here, right? For swimming? Like, or someone? No? Oh! Yes, no, very cold! Oh my God! Is deep there? Very deep? Oh wow! There's no snake here. It's very cold, guys. Oh my God! I thought it's only Yes, ma! Oh, it's very cold. Oh my God! Next time I will alive! Yes! 1 minute, 1 minute. I want to go on that area, guys, oh. Oh, but it's very cold. Okay. Whoa! Oh, stay there only. Not come with me. Oh my God! Oh, ito, knocked off na. Everything. Wait. So now guys, I'm done swimming. Okay. So now I'm going back. Gizmo, come here na. So let's go na guys. Ay, Gizmo, come here. Let's go home. Many people here guys, go for swimming here. Gizmo, you afraid? Gizmo guys is afraid, so I need to get back to get him, to get her. I mean, come here. Okay, let's go. I will carry you. Okay, let's go. Oh my God. You know guys, when I was when I was a kid, okay, this kind of art, I don't want to go home. I want to stay, all day in the river with my brother. Only my mom getting angry to me if I stay long time. Oops, oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. So I will carry you, Gizmo, because you is scared na. Wait. Let's go home. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay na. Pas na. Come here na. Oops. Come here na, Gizmo. Come here na. Bahala ka dyan. Yes, ma. Where's si Gizmo? Come here, Gizmo. Oh, so many fish? Small fish? Oh, someone stay here. Gizmo, come here na. We will carry the pineapple. Where is it? Maybe the people carry na. Let's go. Gumamela. Wow. Oh, you know guys, Gizmo know very well the pineapple. The sleeper of my friend. Oh. Oh dear, your sleeper. Wow, much flowers. Before, guys, this area, they have house here. Okay, and then they change home na to another barangay. So, I saw my uncle there, oh, make a house. So, come guys, I'm going to bless him. Buenas! Pasa lang! Ayaw na, di Rio. Di... guys, this is my new neighbor. Auntie Balin. And then my uncle. Kalkatalman.
Nah, muna siyempre.
Ano si Ninelando?
Kaya ng dulyan.
Nadulyan niya?
Ngayon ang katakal.
Ayan lang siyempre.
Akin na, ariba lang po ko na naluway.
Oo.
Ariba.
May mga kasilaya ka na kansilayan.
Naluway.
Monitor kasa auntie. Ha? Pero, sir, ka na sa kabalanse. Hinahinay lang. Ito, semento? Arena? Oo. Natakatelita na ano, oh. Na di Rio di Pie kung Pio. Ke? Ali kami ang pasonante, oh. Sa pinya. Ako nakasadaan. Yan, ti. Ay, kiss mo. Hoy. So, let's go. Kiss mo. You see guys, oh. Planted of my father na coconut. Oh, Gizmo, come here. See? Oh, avocado. That only 1 tree, guys, the avocado. Only 1 avocado. Okay? You go home na, Gizmo, okay? Oh, my father drive my ATV. Hey! You drive my ATV without permission. Oh my God, my father, guys. And then this is also my new neighbor because they have in this area. Okay, they have 2 houses na here. All that my good neighbor. Oh, this one here. Okay. It's still not finished. Okay. Oh, Carabao. They have called Carabao, guys. Huh? Oh, banana. Oh, banana. Oh, why my father use my ATV without permission? Oh, this guys, okay, that's the owner of that first house. Oh, the Carabao. Oh. Ay, guys ma, kami. Ate magabangga ko na Carabao. Ah! Ay, guys ma. Tuy! Guys ma, come here. He's scared. Guys ma. Ha? Okay. So, wait. I just, this my pineapple, I just let only here in the home, okay? Because I'm going on that area, on that what you call that, oh? On that river, oh? Give me your slipper, dear. Because I'm going there. You stay here only, okay? Oh, ala, oh, na puente, oh. I'm going to the bridge, okay? So, I just let only this one. I just, first. Hoy, Gizmo. Oo. Mang, oh, mang, ayan sa kail pineapple, oh, nakasa diaton. Oo. Oh, pineapple, oh. Oh, di Prince, di ba? And then na Rio. Oh. So now guys, we proceed oh. Like I said earlier, I show you guys the the farm. Nasa paaki oh. Oh, this is the coconut. Okay? So guys, this is my church. This is my church, guys. Show them dear. Okay? Oh, I think they have guava here. We'll see if they guava. Oh, no fruits na here. No fruits. Sige mo, oh. Oh, santan. See, guys, oh. Oh, you see, guys, even in the farm, but still they have here, for tambulok, hindi tambulok, ta pwede pa usa, like in the plastic, and then, what do you call that? Ito called Borkis trash can. Okay, di nabubulok, pati hindi nabubulok. Nabubulok. Okay, so, this is my chapel. Okay. So, I want to open you guys. I want to show you guys. This is my, chapel. Gizmo, come here. See? Gizmo! Come here na. Come here. So, before guys, only, made this from wood. Okay, but for now, it's cement na with tiles. Thank you so much for the sponsor. For this, chapel. So now guys, I'm going there at the, dam. Na dam. Okay, come here. So, it's very hard for me. Last night, it's very hard for me to, bring the ATV. So, I just see where good road. See? Huh? See the pig. Okay. Hoy, Gizmo. Come here. You know, guys. Okay. This called tapahan. Okay. This, it's, what you call this? Make for the coconut. Okay. And then make it copras. Okay. So, earlier, guys, I saw banana. I don't know from who's this. So, I'm going to, steal the banana. Okay. I think this is my, father. He forgot, I think. So, it's still, still he, they have here, oh. You see, guys. Come here, dear. Come here. Okay. So, this one, I'm going to get this. Okay. This one. Where Gizmo? Gizmo, come here. Okay, and then coconut shell. So my father put only the rest of the coconut here because within I think 3 months, 4 months they make coconut again. Okay. So this is the area, guys. Okay. Oh wow. Oh. Still more coconut. Okay, so I don't know if I can pa how many, what you call this, slice cheese to get how ba to go up in this coconut. Okay, so we'll see, guys. Hold on, I will put this down first. I don't know if I can't go up in the tree. Okay, so okay, I will put first, dear. Okay, dear, don't forget, dear, huh? Maybe I forgot. So, okay, so now I want to try again to climb. Uy, may banana. Why, ano, oh? I think this ba? Okay. Okay, guys. Because before, okay, I can go up, climb the coconut. But now I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay. No worries, guys, because if I fall down, not up. Okay, one. Oh my God. See this one, two. I don't know, guys, until when. Three. Maybe they have bees here. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Until here only. Until only here, guys. Because I'm scared not to go up. Oopsie. Okay. This called, guys, ano, oh, by hakakakak is called, ano, sliced cheese. Okay. So, you know, guys, I am very proud of that, for those who make the coconut here in my farm. I'm very thankful because you know na, guys, it's very, ano, difficult to go up. I don't know how many trees in this area of my father. Okay. So, can you imagine they go up here and then make it, what you call that? Get all the fruit of the coconut. So, it's very hard, you know. Okay. I guess, ma, let's go. Let's go home. So, for this, guys, I want to tell to my mom that make it boiling. Guess, ma, come here na. I think this ba. Guess, ma. Let's go. Ha. Let's go na, Gizmo. Get home. Let's go because they have ano na, oh. Bas, come here. She's scared on the ano, oh. She's scared. Gizmo. Go home na, come here. Let's go. Oh, very muddy. Let's go home. Gizmo. Gizmo. Toy. Road trip. So now we're up again. Hello everyone. Bye bye. Oh wow. We stuck. Oh, we back. I think we should pass on that area, oh. It's difficult na. Oh, wow. Change route, ah. Then we turn from this area. Oh, wow. And then here. Yeah. Oh, slowly, slowly. Oh. Oopsie. Okay. Oy, Gizma! Go another. Bye-bye, Gizmo. Bye. Okay, FC. So, bye-bye na guys. Bye-bye.